I'm Stacy. I'm a seasoned sinus sufferer with very little breathing capacity. I found Dr. Anand as I was going through the process of trying various over-the-counter medications, and just nothing worked for me. I was losing my voice every 30 days due to sinusitis or a postnasal drip, etc. I called Dr. Anand. He put me on a daily medicine regimen, and now I feel great. When I met Dr. Anand, I decided to select him as my physician because he was caring. His bedside manner was great. It was as if he was taking care of a family member, and so that was all it took. I tell people he's my boyfriend.